Nagtapos ng walang panalo ang kampanya ng Gilas Pilipinas sa Window 2 ng FIBA World Cup Asian Qualifiers. Gayunpaman, abante pa rin sila sa susunod na round bilang pangatlong team sa Group A. May report si teammate Jamaica Bayaka.
Nahirapan nga ang ating pambansang koponan matapos dominahin ang Australia Boomers 66-93 sa Window 2 ng FIBA World Cup Asian Qualifiers dito sa Mall of Asia Arena.
Masakit man ang pagkatalong ito para sa Gilas, babaunin nila ang mga aral sa susunod na round ng torneo matapos hindi magwagi kontra New Zealand nitong Huwebes. Bigo ang Nationals na bumawi sa Australia sa kanilang ikalawang laro nitong linggo, unang araw ng Marso. Dikita ng laban sa unang half pero umalab ang Australia at pinalobo pa ang kanilang kalamangan sa second half at nagtapos sa malaking panalo.
I thought we played a really good. We did everything we wanted defensively. We held guys down. But when they started to stretch the lead a little bit, got some open threes, and a couple turnovers on our part, I think we just kind of deflated and lost our energy, and it was hard to chase those guys. Very, very painful here at home. And just doing that in front of the home crowd was tough.
Naipakita ng pambansang koponan ang lakas sa unang half na may puntos mula kay Quintin Millora Brown at mga contributions ng bench kasama ni Junior Fajardo, Calvin Oftana at Kevin Kiambao. Nagtapos naman si Justin Brownlee sa 20 points, 8 rebounds at 7 assists matapos alatin noong Huwebes. Sa ikatlong quarter, lumaki ang agwat dahil sa 30 points na dagdag ng Australia at mga turnovers ng Gilas. Pinangunahan ni na Elijah Pepper na nakapagtala ng game-high 28 points at Tanner Krebs ang boomer sa laro.
Philippines came out with a little bit of a hard start. They played well in that first half. We just kind of had to weather the storm, stick together. And then in that second half, we shared the ball really well. Guys were getting open looks. There's a couple of them where you see the ball swing from corner to the opposite corner, 4 or 5 passes. And I think that's Aussie basketball. And so we played really well together, and it showed in that second half especially.
Sa kabila ng pagkatalo, abante pa rin ang Gilas sa next round dahil sa panalo ng New Zealand laban sa Guam 99-67.
It's a bad feeling to lose by that much at home. But, I mean, a loss is a loss either way. You lose by 30 or you lose by 1, it doesn't feel good. So, you just got to keep improving. And then, we're going to play them again in July. We got to be better by then.
Hindi man nagtagumpay ang Pilipinas sa kanilang home court game, nakatuon ang koponan sa susunod na window na gaganapit sa July. Jamaica Bayaka para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.